Hey my Glamkins, welcome back to my channel guys. So guys, today I'll be showing you this super easy quick glam look for Christmas as well as for New Year's Eve. So I thought of creating this look for you guys before Christmas. I think today may be Christmas itself when you're watching this video. So if you're watching it today, maybe you can wear this makeup for New Year's Eve party maybe. And I have used all of the affordable products. I tried to, raid my makeup collection and find all of the products that I actually love, and I came up with this look. So I have showed you two lip options, one nude glossy lips and the red one. Obviously red is classic, and especially for New Year's Eve, who doesn't want to wear red, right? So yes, without wasting any of your time, if you are interested in watching this glam, then please keep on watching. Okay, so we're gonna begin with moisturizer. I'm taking my Pack Moisture Lotion. I really love this moisturizer, especially for winters, as it's very hydrating. It is very much similar to MAC Strobe Cream, but this is not too shiny. Yeah, I'm using Pack Micro Fixer as my primer today. By the way, guys, I'm suffering from cold, so that's why my voice is little too deep, so kindly bear with me today. I'm using the butt side of the beauty blender to dab it on all over my face so that the product gets soaks up into the skin. I really love this makeup fixer, by the way guys. It's very hydrating as well as very fresh and dewy. And now I'm correcting my under eyes with L.a. Girl orange corrector as usual, nothing new. With the help of Pack mini blenders, I'm just dabbing it onto the skin so that it gets soaks up onto my skin. And for my foundation, I'm mixing two Maybelline Matte Poreless mixed in with L.a.girl HD foundation. I love the finish, as the HD foundation from L.a.girl is very illuminating, and Maybelline one is semi matte. And with the help of beauty blender, I'm gonna blend it everywhere. I'm also gonna cover my ears, my neck, so never forget your ears. And I take my time to blend my foundation onto my skin so that there are no harsh lines. I'm taking my Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. Yes, I've got a full in-depth review of this product onto my channel. It has newly launched by Maybelline this year itself. I'm gonna let it dry for 20 minutes. See the review. Click I on the right hand side corner of the screen so that you can see the review of that product. So till my tattoo gel dries, I thought of doing my cream contouring. I'm loving this L'Oreal concealer as my contour. It's super hydrating. It's not too harsh and it's not too muddy or anything. It is very much gel like, I would say. And I like to take a little bit onto the back of my hand, warm it up with a brush, and then apply it onto my skin, as you saw. And I also contoured my nose with the same contour cream. So as my eyeshadow primer, I'm taking Sephora eyeshadow stick. I don't know if this is available in India or not. I got mine from Singapore, but you can also use your concealer as your eyeshadow primer. And then to set this eyeshadow stick in place, I'm taking any setting powder will do will do, guys. 20 minutes are done, so I'm peeling that tattoo gel. And I'm still gonna fill my eyebrows in, guys, because I wanted full on glam, so I wanted my eyebrows to look dark, so that is why I'm filling it in with LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil. I don't know what I'm saying. With the L'Oreal Brow Artist Plumper, I'm gonna set them in place so they don't budge and move around. Yeah, that is what I'm doing. And once that is done, I'm taking my Sun Club Essence Sun Club Sunny Bronzer, and I'm just applying it onto my crease to give little bit of definition, because we are not going to do any crazy thing onto the eyes. I'm gonna keep it very soft, natural, and daytime as well as nighttime wear kind of makeup. So what I'm doing is I'm taking my Maybelline the Nudes eyeshadow palette, and with an angular brush I'm taking that dark black eyeshadow, applying it onto my upper lash line, and just smudging it out, making it very soft, making the wings but very soft. And now with the cotton swab, as you can see, I'm just smudging it out and making it look very smudged out soft wings. There is a wing, but you hardly can see the wings. Like I didn't wanted a standout wings, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I'm coating my upper lashes with Maybelline the Colossal Big Shot Mascara. I think I said that right. Guys, I'll be mentioning all the products that I'm using in the description box, so please check the description box. And this is one of those products which I didn't like in the beginning. If you have seen my first impression video for Diwali, you know what I'm talking. But the more I use this mascara, I'm liking it so far. I'm also applying Kajal onto my upper waterline because I'm going to use lashes. So I wanted my upper waterline to be covered. For my concealer, I'm taking Maybelline Anti-Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Nude. I wanted my eyes to look very, very bright. Don't mind how it's looking right now because I'm gonna do it very subtle in a minute. So right now, let it look a little crazy because I wanted my under eyes to look very, very bright. And by the way, I am loving Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder, but I don't like to bake with that powder. I don't know why, but baking is not good with this powder for sure. And for my bronzer, I'm taking NYX Soft Matte Bronzer in the shade Deep Tan, and I'm adding this onto my cheeks and on my forehead, on my jawline, and this is going to add warmth back to my skin. So as you can see now how it was looking before, and now it has got so subtle. So that is what the bronzer does, and I like to apply it onto my neck as well as on my ears. Everywhere I love bronzer, guys. And I'm also contouring my nose with NYX Soft Matte Bronzer. I love this bronzer. I love this bronzer to the core. And now I'm taking the butt side of my beauty blender with which I applied my foundation and dabbing it wherever I have contoured so that it will mesh into the skin and it won't look too harsh. Now I'm taking the nudes palette from Maybelline again. Guys, if you have got smaller eyes, you know the struggle. I like to apply some shadows to my lower below my lower lash line just to make my eyes look little bigger, because otherwise they look very, you know, they hardly appear like that. So I like to do this step just so that it gives a lot of definition to my eyes. It doesn't make my eyes look smaller. Now I'm coating my lower lashes with the same mascara which I used earlier. And yes, that is what I am doing. I'm gonna apply a lot of layers as usual. I love mascara. And for my highlighter, I'm taking a Makeup Revolution's Pro Glow 2, which is my ultimate favorite highlighter of this year. And as you can see, it's so good. Have you guys tried it? Let me know in the comment section. I would love to know. I'm also gonna highlight. This is the reality, guys. This is the reality which you don't see. I actually sneezed in between. I'm actually suffering from cold and cough and fever and everything, but still can't skip on glamming myself. I'm dabbing a beauty blender onto my highlighter so that it looks subtle and doesn't look too stand out. That is what I like to do. And for my lashes, I'm taking Be Full and Foaming lashes. I've got them from Amazon. They are super cheap. I don't know if they are still available, but still, if they are, I'll link it down in the description box for you guys. This is my ultimate favorite blush, my favorite brush of all times. It's L'Oreal True Match in the shade Rosewood. Highly recommend. If you haven't got your hands on this, definitely try it in the store and then let me know. If you have got medium to deep skin, you're gonna love this. This is my favorite step to do after doing everything, just to dab my beauty blender onto my skin. Now I'm going to give you two options for lipsticks. First, I'm lining my lips with Color Bar's lip liner in the shade Creamy Nude. These lip liners are very, very pigmented, as you guys can see it already. I'm going to align my lips and I'm also gonna fill it in because I'm not going to use any lipstick. In fact, I'm going to use a lip gloss. Try and use a lip gloss, guys, for parties or something. You are definitely going to thank me later for it, because it looks so good and shiny and plumpy and full of life. I really love it, and this is one of my favorite lip glosses of all the times. And for my second lip option, I'm going to use the classic red lip color. This is in collaboration with I Love Sarai, I Love Karen. It's from Colourpop and it's so super pigmented, guys. You hardly need a single coat. And as you can see, red makes everything look so good. It just aced the look, you can say that. So that's it for this video, you guys. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Let me know your favorite products in the comment section. Also let me know which products you are going to buy next. I would suggest you to go and buy Colourpop lipsticks. They are my favorite. Stay tuned for more fun videos coming up on my channel next. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads. And also follow me on Instagram, guys. It's free. Please do follow me on Instagram. We can connect more over there. And Merry Christmas, Happy New Year in advance. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. And with that being said, I'll see you very soon in my next video.